So the common perception is that personal attention. Yes, boss. Yes, Rohit. How are you doing? अच्छी पढ़ाई चल रही है बेटा? Very good. Just keep it up. Is it a personal attention? What exactly the personal attention means? If I am asking Rohit, then I should know exactly everything about Rohit. Am I checking his class notes? I am checking his solving. I know him in and out. कि वो सिली मिस्टेक ज़्यादा करता है, वो पढ़ाई थोड़ा कम करता है, वो स्टेप 3 या स्टेप 4 तक ही सॉल्व करता है. If I am really delving into his studies, then I can say that it is personal attention. If I am really taking the responsibility of his, boss अभी इतना स्कोर आ गया, अब इतना बढ़ाना है अपने को, then I can say it is a personal attention. Right? सिर्फ merely knowing the name और एक कंधे पे टैप करना, बेटा तू कर लेगा, that is not the personal attention. Right? We are just feigning, that's all. So give the personal attention जो पूरी तरह से in depth हो, and that is what is required.